In this lesson, tiri kuda discuss the laws of indices. But before to discuss the laws of indices, we need to have a definition of what an indice is. Saka kana tichiti an indice, tiri kutaura a to the power n, where a is an unknown kana kuti variable and n is a power. It can be called a power, or it can also be called an exponent. Saka chinonzi indice chatinoda kudiscussa in this lesson, tiri kutarisa a to the power n. A ari kurepresenta an unknown kana kuti variable, whereas n iri kurepresenta a power kana kuti an exponent. Saka tinowanzo kushandisa this term unknown nepamusana pekuti riri relatable. Relatability yacho ndeyekuti kana tichiti unknown tiri kuti we do not know the value which a letter is representing. Like in that case, tina a as the unknown. Then we also usually use this term power for n. Saka a to the power n, it's just a general form of an indice. Tichibva pa an understanding of what an indice is, takuda kuenda pa the laws of indices. Saka a precursor to these laws of indices ndeyekuti iyi mitemo yema indices. Mitemo iyi tinofanirwa kuiziva. But I want to give you advice before tainyora pasi. Pane nzira mbiri dzekuziva mitemo yema indices kana kuti laws of indices. Nzira yekutanga inonzi rote memorization. Rote memorization tinowanzo kuiziva ichinzi cramming. Saka munogona kutongocrama these laws of indices. Panapa we are just going to introduce the 4 basic laws of indices. Samogona macrama ari 4 kuti chakati, 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 uye chakati. But method iyi haiziyo yatodzidzisa in this lesson or in our teaching. We actually encourage kuti mushandise the second method of learning, which is practice. Saka we encourage practice, we discourage cramming. And our reason is, mukadzidza ma laws of indices through practice kana kuti through application, muri kupractice kumashandisa in ZIMSEC questions, in Cambridge questions, or in questions you get from textbooks. Zvinokubatsirai pa 2 fronts. The first front ndeyekuti munobva mamaziva ma laws aya intimately, kureva kuti ava some part of you. Then secondly, zvinokubatsirai kuti munobva matoziva kuti ma questions ema laws of indices anombobvunzwa sei, kuitira kuti when you see a question in your ZIMSEC paper, it won't necessarily be the first time kuona that question. You have a general understanding of the form of the question, kuti ma laws of indices anovhunzwa in this way. Yet mukada kuziva ma laws of indices muchishandisa rote memorization kana kuti cramming, this is short-lived. The first threat ndeyekuti munotokanganwa kuti ma laws acho ndeapi. Secondly, you won't be able to apply them appropriately, because in most cases ma questions anoda the application of the laws of indices auya achitovhunza kuti pari kuda kushandiswa the laws of indices. Anouya akaita akakuhwanda zvishoma. Saka we need to focus on practicing and focus less on cramming. Let us now give a quick summary of the laws of indices. The first law we are interested in, inoti x to the power a multiplying x to the power b is equal to x to the power a plus b. That is the first law we want to look at. before I discuss anything pertaining in particular to this law, ndoda kukuintroducai to a new term inonzi isomorphism, kana kuti togona kungoiti isomorphy. Saka isomorphy inotaura kudini? You are going to see it in action panapa. Isomorphy inotiudza kuti pane a relationship between multiplication and addition. Saka we have a relationship between multiplication and addition. The same relationship exists between division and subtraction. Saka mukaziva kuti multiplication neaddition zvinodyidzana, moziva zvakare kuti division nesubtraction zvinodyidzana, zvinokubatsirai in your understanding of these laws of indices. Nekuti panapa we are having a situation x to the power a times x to the power b is equal to x to the power a plus b. Multiplication neaddition zviri kudyidzana. The second thing is, munofanirwa kuziva kuti x uno uyu na x uyu zvakare na x uyu, this is basically the same base. So this law applies when we have the same base, and this same base, it's x. And because of this much, this takes us back to our definition of an index, where we defined a as an unknown variable. We should also add that a can be a constant. And kachiti constant, tinongoti a anokwanisa kungova just a number. So a can be an unknown, a variable. A can also be a number. And if I am to give an example, pamutemo uyu wekutanga, ngatitiitati 2 to the power 3 times 2 to the power 2. This is equal to 2 to the power 3 plus 2, which is 2 to the power 5. What just happened? Chekutanga, we took notice kuti panapa tina 2 to the power 3 times 2 to the power 2. Nepamusana pekuti tina 2 to the power something multiplying 2 to the power something, zvoreva kuti we have the same base panapa. Taona kuti we have the same base, zvoreva kuti we can apply the first law of indices, this one. Then secondly, in our application, because panapa tina multiplication, zvoreva kuti the powers should be added in our product or answer. That's 2 to the power 3 plus 2. Then if we add them, it gives us 2 to the power 5. So basically, this is the first law of indices. Our second law of indices, tirikuti x to the power a dividing x to the power b, this is equal to x to the power a minus b. We take note of the same base, which is x. Then secondly, we look at the isomorphic kana kuti relationship kuwirirana kuri between division and subtraction. That's why kana pakati panapa paine division, kuno kuma powers edu anosubtracta. In the first case, the first law, kana pakati panapa paine multiplication, ma powers edu anoedana. And if we are to give an explainer here, what is important is it should be the same base, and our base in context in the x. Our example, tikati 2 to the power 3 dividing 2 to the power 2, this is equal to 2 to the power 3 minus 2, which is actually 2 to the power 1, because 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. We have the same base, which is 2 panapa, and we also have division. We take that base 2, we have our powers subtracting, because it's division here, and we get our final answer, which is 2 to the power 1. That is going to be our second law of indices. Let us now slide to the third. What is the third law of indices? Our law number 3 panapa tiri kuti x to the power minus a is equal to 1 over x to the power a. X to the power minus a is equal to 1 over x to the power a. If you think about this in terms of isomorphy, you will see kuti tiri kuti x to the power a negative x to the power minus a. This is equal to 1 over x to the power a. Kureva kuti panapa tichiri relationship between subtraction and division, because a negative power means 1 over x to the a. But what we should notice panapa, mechanically speaking, what we should notice is it's x to the power minus a. We say it's equal to 1 over x to the power a. Masona. Saka negative a inoi painozouya iri kubase kunoku inenge yava positive. X to the power minus a is equal to 1 over x to the power a. Let us look at an example. Tikati 3 to the power minus 2 like this. This is equal to 1 over 3 to the power 2. So it's just a relationship, a technical relationship. Yamunofangwa kungoona. A negative power, what does it mean? It means we have to take the inverse of the positive power. Saka pandataura in mathematical jargon, but chandongozama kutaura ndechekuti kana tina any number to the power a negative, it's equal to 1 over that number to the power the corresponding positive. So I hope we are together on that part. Still on that law, what you should also know is mtemo uyu unogona kunyorwa in reverse. Maquestions edu anogona kuuya in reverse. Sometimes anogona kuuya ari 1 over 3 squared. You have to convert to 3 to the power minus 2. Saka you really need to practice more so that you know kuti zvinhu zvinoshandiswa sei. Coming to our last law of indices, law number 4. What we need to do here is tiri panapa, the law is going to be, this is more like a property than a law, but ngatingoinyora. X to the power 0 is equal to 1. Mutemo uyu urungotiudza kuti any number raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. Saka zvinei kuti namba iyo ndeyani. It can be whatever. A million. It can be minus 300. It can be half. So long it is raised to the power 0, the answer is 1. An example we can work with, take out for example 13 to the power 0. This is equal to 1. But it becomes different with the negatives. I do not wish to confuse you pane zvandoda kutaura panapa, but I want you to look at this situation. Ngatiti we have minus x to the power 0. Saka minus x to the power 0 tinogona kuinyora takati minus 1 times x to the power 0. Can you see that? Minus x to the power 0 toinyora takati minus 1 times x to the power 0. So this is a nuance. This is the term, a nuance to that law. And muchaona kuti mitemo iyi iri 4 kana kuti maproperties aya ari 4 tichama-expanda kuti aite involve and include certain nuances to these laws. You are going to see it. So we have minus x to the power 0. Taona kuti tinogona kuinyora takati minus 1 times x to the power 0. Then tichi-apply this law, taudzwa isusu kuti x to the power 0 iri equal to 1. Kureva kuti panapa inenge yava minus 1 times 1, which is equal to minus 1, like that. Therefore, what does it mean? Minus x to the power 0 is equal to minus 1, like that. And an example will be takati minus 13 to the power 0 inenge equal to minus 1. Saka this is a nuance. Mutemo munofanirwa kuziva ndeuyu, but munoapply mutemo uyu kuti muzobuda nemutemo uyu. Ndozvinoreva kuti a nuance. And we are going to continually have them patinenge tichistudy these laws of indices. So I want to take us to our first practice question. But before we go there, ndoda ngoita outline these laws kuitira kuti mugare muchimarangarira. The first law yanga ichiti x to the power a times x to the power b iri equal to x to the power a plus b. The second law yanga ichiti x to the power a dividing x to the power b iri equal to x to the power a minus b. The third law yanga ichiti x to the power minus a is equal to 1 over x to the power a. And then lastly, the fourth yanga ichiti x to the power 0 is equal to 1. Then its nuance yanga ichizoti minus x to the power 0 is equal to what? To minus 1. Chatofanirwa kuziva pano ndechekuti panapa we have the same base, and kachiti same base tikureva x, and zvandikureva ndezvekuti 2 to the power 3 times 3 to the power 2 haisi equal to anything to the power 3 plus 2. Hazviapply panapa nepamusana pekuti mabhese edu aya asiyana. The other thing is, second law, you should know kuti order matters. Order matters. And kana chiti order matters tiri kuti x to the power a divided by x to the power b is equal to x to the power b minus a, iri equal to x to the power a minus b. Nepamusana pekuti b minus a na a minus b zvakatosiyana. I think you should know kuti 3 minus 2 na 2 minus 3 zvakasiyana. And saka the order matters. It's very important. So we go to our third law. We can refer to this as the inversing of a negative power. And kana tisingadi kudhila negative power, this is how we do it. Then we go to the fourth law. You should also consider its nuance. Saka yakakosha kubata panapa ndeishi. Then iyi mozoishandisa kuderive this law. Saka iyi tisina kuiti law number 5. Instead togona kuiti law number 4a minus x to the 0 is equal to minus 1. So having done this, let us now go to our practice questions. That is our practice question. Simplify 10 squared times 10 to the 3. That is a. Saka a yakanzi 10 to the power 2 times 10 to the power 3. This is equal to 10 to the power 2 plus 3, which is equal to 10 to the power 5. And our reason of saying 10 to the power 2 plus 3 inauye kuti apply this law of indices. X to the power a times x to the power b is equal to x to the power a plus b. We see kuti we have the same base. We see kuti we have multiplication. Saka ndo maparameters anotitendera kuapply that law. When we go to b iri kuti 22n to the 7 dividing 2 to the power 2n to the power 3. 22n to the power 7 dividing 2 to the power 3. Saka question iyo iri a little bit special pakuti ticha apply our second law of indices, but tichaita a selective application. Saka we are going to treat my numbers differently and also treat my unknown, which is n, separately. How do we do that? Saka tinenge takuti 22 over 2 multiplying n to the power 7 dividing n to the power 3. So zvaitikapo ndezvekuti taseparata my numbers from my unknown variables. Maseparatero atinoita ndeyekuti tinotora manhamba 22 over 2 kureva kuti 22 dividing 2. Rather zvataita panapa kuri kuti munoda kuzvinyora zvakazara, menge makunyora so. Tati 22 dividing 2 kuseparata manhamba times n to the power 7 dividing n to the power 3 kuseparata maletters. Ndozvataita. But i 22 dividing 2 manje ndo yatinozonyora as 22 over 2. Ndikuona zvaitika hapo. Then that will be equal to 2 into 2 ndi 1, 2 into 2 1 and into 2 kuti ndi 1. Kureva kuti panapa tina 11. 11 times n to the power 7 dividing n to the 3 ndo pakuchiapply chi the second law yatati x to the power a dividing x to the power b iri equal to x to the power a minus b. Kureva kuti n unoona n same base, panapa tine division, saka tinge takuti times n to the power chi 7 minus 3. This eventually will become 11n to the power 4 is our answer. Saka sometimes we have to separate numbers from their variables, attached variables. But to separate, we should also make use of what? We should make use of the multiplication. We make use of the multiplication. So what I would encourage is, maybe mukanyora in this way, it will be easier to understand. Kuti inoi munobva mainyora in that way. So I hope you understood B. Kana mune pamusina kunzwisisa, please, you have to talk to me directly or you comment under in the comments section. Tikatarisa C, 19 to the power 0. Saka inoi ichava equal to 1. And panapa kuti tiwane 1, we applied our fourth law, which was a to the power 0 is equal to 1. Any number to the power 0 is equal to 1. Tinogona edu kuti any positive number to the power 0 is equal to 1. I think that will be more accurate in representation. Saka any positive number to the 0 is equal to 1. That will be our C. Let us go to D. Saka D edu yakamira sei? 5 to the power minus 2. 5 to the power minus 2 ga iri equal to 1 over 5 to the power 2. And panapa ta apply our third law yatati a to the power minus n is equal to 1 over a to the power n. Kungoreva kuti a negative power ish inge iri tinogona kuiconverta to a positive tikati 1 over. So ndo zvataita panapa. but we know kuti 5 squared zvoreva kuti 5 times 5. Saka final answer yedu toinyora is 1/25. Tikadai so tinenge tapedza. Saka tapedza D. Let us go to E. Saka E yedu yakamira sei? E yakati 2 to the power 3 times yadai so 1/6 to the power minus 1. So panapa we have to make a nuance. Maarangarira the word nuance. But in nuance to which law? Tikatarisa our law number 3. Tati x to the power minus a iri equal to 1/x to the power a. Mazvona. Nuance iri panapa ndeyekuti. This is the nuance. Kana tina for example a over b to the power minus n. This is going to be equal to b over a to the power n. So chinoitika ndechekuti kana tiine fraction and iri to the power a negative, inenge iri equal to the inverse kana to the reciprocal of that fraction to the power the positive. Kuti tibvise minus unoyu tinongopidigura fraction, then n yobva yatova positive. A over b to the power minus n iri equal to b over a to the power n. That is how it is done, and that is also what it means. And that is very important. We can provide a proof for this, by the way. Proof yedu hainetsi. Tikatora a over b handika to the power minus n, tichiapply this first law inenge iri equal to 1 over a over b to the power n. Handika? Then manje, zvoreva kuti iyi inenge iri chi 1 dividing a over b to the power n, which then will be equal to 1 multiplying. Tinoziva kuti kana tichinja from division to multiplication, tinopidigura fraction. Kureva kuti inenge ya b over a to the power chi n, which is basically b over a to the power n. You don't have to focus much on how it is proven. Proof haina basa. Chamufanira kuziva ndechekuti a over b to the power minus n iri equal to b over a to the power n. And this works as a nuance to the third law of indices. So kana takuansa iyi, tinenge taakungoti 2 to the power 3 multiplying, we have a fraction 1/6 to the power minus 1, kureva kuti tinopidigura kunoku yobva yava 6 over 1 to the power 1, like that. Saka this is equal to 2 to the power 3 multiplying 6, because 6 over 1 is 6 and 6 to the power 1 then d1. We can also bring a nuance to the fourth law again, if you so wish. And fourth law tangatati x to the power 0 is equal to 1. Kaona kuti our first nuance yanga ichiti minus x to the power 0 is equal to minus 1. Tinogona kuita a second nuance panapa. It's actually a property, not a nuance, but let us just call it that. Inoti x to the power 1 is equal to x. And so any number to the power 1 is equal to itself. Kuti to the power 1 zvakangofanana nekuti times 1. That is the essence of it. Therefore, kana tauda kunyora our final answer panapa, what is 2 to the power 3? 2 times 24, 4 times 28. And 8 times 6 is 48. Kureva 48 will be our final answer there. Kadaro tinenge tatopedza. So I really hope kuti maunderstand panapa. Kana musina, please let me know so that I can find better ways of explaining myself. Let us now go to f. F iri kuti kudini? F iri kuti r times r to the power 0 times r to the power minus 5. So panapa tofanirwa kuziva chimwe chinhu kuti kana yakangonzi r zvoreva kuti inenge itori to the power 1 because of the new ones we discussed in our previous question, which was part E, yanga ichiti x to the power 1 is equal to x. So apo tinogona kuapply basically the first law yanga ichiti x to the a multiplying x to the b iri equal to x to the a plus b. Mapaona. Saka kataiapply inoi ngatiapply panapa. Zvoreva kuti since we have the same root and pese panapa pane multiplication, inenge yava r to the power 1 plus 0 plus minus 5. And minus 5 taisa brackets for a good reason. Therefore, this will be equal to r to the power 1 plus 0 ndi 1 plus na minus zvikasangana zvinoita minus. Kureva kuti panapa tinenge tina 1 plus 0 minus 5. Therefore, yava r 1 then plus 0 toibvisa, it's just a placeholder minus 5. Therefore, our answer is r to the power 1 minus 5 is minus 4. Togona kuitreat in that way. Or tinogona kuapply a second method. R to the power 1 times r to the power 0 times r to the power minus 5. To rearrange as r to the power 0 times r to the power 1 times r to the power minus 5, like that. Then tadaro chinenge takuita sei. We know from our fourth law kuti x to the 0 is equal to 1. Kureva kuti r to the power 0 anenge ari 1. Saka panapa pakuya 1 and times r to the power 1 times r to the power minus 5. Saka manje panapa we know kuti we have r to the 1 na r to the minus 5. Saka tinogona kuapply this law. Inenge yakuti 1 times r to the power 1 plus minus 5. Like that. This is equal to 1 times r 1 plus na minus ukasangana zvo zvaita minus. Like this. So this will be 1 times r to the power minus 4, of which 1 times anything is that thing, r to the power minus 4, like that. So tikadaro tinenge futi tapedza. So you can choose either to go the first method way kana kuti the second method way. Having done this, tapedza what was expected of us pakudzidza the laws of indices. Chatakuitai kuzvinoizvi, it's giving you an exercise. So these will be your practice questions. Ndokuda kuti muite exercise 8a iri mu General Mathematics book 3 chapter 8. Ndokuda kuti muite number 1, number 5, number 7, number 18, number 20. Those questions andiri kuda kuti muite for your practice. Thank you.